Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 power x by 20 equal 10 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 5 power x by 20 equal 10 by 1 we can write. Now if we do cross multiplication, so 5 power x equal 10 times 20. So 5 power x equal 10 times 20. If I'll take log on both sides, so it becomes, as per log rule, log a power b is b log a, and log a times b is log a plus log b. So it's x log 5 equal log 10 plus log 20. So if I'll divide both sides by log 5, so x equal log 5, 10 we can write it as 5 times 2 plus log 20 we can write it as 5 times 4 by log 5. So x is equals to log 5 plus log 2 plus log 5 plus log 4 by log 5. So x is equals to log 5 by log 5 plus log 2 by log 5 plus log 5 by log 5 plus log 4 by log 5. So this will cancel out. So x is equals to 1 plus this we can write it as log 2 with base 5 plus 1 plus log 4 we can write it as 2 square by log 5. So x is equals to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus log 2 with base 5 plus this becomes 2 log 2 with base 5. So x is equals to 2 plus, if I'll take log 2 with base 5 as common, so 1 plus 2. So x is equals to 2 plus 3 log 2 with base 5. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.